And weighing in at approximately 600 pounds here is my good buddy Oli. Oli's a CNC mill, which means he was designed predominantly for chowing on metal. The reason he can do that is because his construction from head to toe, or from his spindle to base, is predominantly cast iron, which means he has a fair amount of oofta for his size. Speaking of oofta, he can also on his table carry approximately 1 Jenny, which is about 150 pounds. The other thing that you probably want to know is how far can he move? And we're going to kind of touch travel just a little bit here. So you probably hear the term travel or work envelope, which for all intents and purposes just means how far can Oli move his slidey bits in every direction that he moves. So when you hear the term axes, x-axis in Oli's case is going to be left to right, and he can move 10 inches in left to right. His y-axis is front to back, and he can move 6 1/4 inches or 6.25 inches. And from head to toe or up and down, z-axis, or if you're in Canada, z-axis, can move about 10 inches. The other thing that I want to touch just while we're kind of just doing a quick overview is you'll notice here that I've got a safety cap in here, but at the end of the z-axis is a spindle. Now, spindle is basically, just think spinny bits for now. So a spindle is what actually holds the tool or the part that's going to be cutting your material. And you're going to hear terms like feed rate and speed rate. So when you think about feed, it's how fast you're feeding through the material. On Olaf, he can go about 135 inches per minute in X and Y, and in Z, about 110 inches per minute. As far as how fast he can spin that there tool, he can spin it at 10,000 RPMs, which, just so you know, is way faster than I can spin with my head on a baseball bat at a family reunion.